It's saying that a and b are constants and x squared plus ax plus 8 and all that stuff to the right side equals that. What is the value of a? Okay, cool. Now, a lot of times I see a lot of students get confused when it says the word constants. Constants just means that once you figure out what a and b are in this equation, they're always going to stay the same. The x is the variable, so it can vary, right? The x could be 2, could be 3, could be multiple different numbers, but once I figure out what the a is and what the b is, they'll be constant numbers, they won't change at all. So to be honest with you, that whole phrasing doesn't really affect too much of what we need to do, but it is there on the SAT. They have to put it in as a technicality. But don't let that confuse you. A and b are constants, cool, great, they're constants, that's it. See how the left side is foiled out? That should give me a hint that maybe I should try to foil out the right side too, because these both sides need to be equal to each other. So let's do that first. X squared plus ax plus 8 equals first, outer, inner, last, right? So this is my first, that's my outer, that's my inner, and that's my last, and those are the things that I need to multiply out. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind. See that first term right there? That matches up with the first term. The last term always should match up with the last term, and the inner outer must always match up with the inner outer here. So in other words, the x squared must equal to x squared. Ax must equal bx plus 2x. And finally, 2b must equal 8. So I'm getting pretty close to the final answer here. If I know that 2b equals 8, I know that b has to equal 4. Then if b equals 4, I can throw the 4 in there, and that will make that 4x plus 2x equals ax. And now 4x plus 2x is 6x, so 6x equals ax. So you know that a has to be 6.